Hey everybody, Ron here. Today I am covering an event, okay? It's a very special event I'm covering. This is a dedication ceremony to a veterans and first responders memorial. This is a construction project that I have been following with my drone over on the Tennessee Drone Channel. And today is the dedication ceremony and the flag raising for the first time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some photographs right now. I did bring both of my drones with me. As you can see from the flags, it's a little breezy today, so I might have to fly the Air 3. I would rather not, because it's a little bit noisier and there is a ceremony going on here today. So I have been commissioned by the people who are running this memorial to come out here and do some drone footage for them today. Anyways, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to walk around the memorial and show you what they've done here so you can get a pretty good look at what it is. It's really a beautiful, well done job, okay? So here we go. As you walk down the sidewalks, you come through these entrances right here, and I'm just going to be quiet and take you through here.
When you're tired and worn, and you feel like you can't go on, I'll be there to put one foot in front of the other. When you've lost your way, oh, the first time your heart breaks, I'll pick up the pieces and put them back together.
It's on a beautiful setting here along Lake Catherine in Fairfield Glade, Tennessee, which is in Cumberland County, Tennessee.
Every fall and every rise, every wrong and every right. Ooh, I'll be there for you. When your heart finds a home, when you find what you've been searching for, I'll be by your side and walk you down into your forever. I'll be there for you. Every fall and every rise, every wrong and every right. Ooh, I'll be there for you.
So I would say that you can purchase a brick in memoriam of someone you would like to honor. It could be a family member or maybe an acquaintance. But you can see there's a whole bunch of them here, and it looks like they've got room to possibly do more.
Hope you're proud of everything we've done, and you can help me put one foot in front of the other. I'll be there for you.
As you can see, this is going to be a beautiful place of reflection and memorial to all those that have served. There are 13 flagpoles, and what they represent is, where I'm standing right now is the first responder circle, and that would be for your police, fire, and ambulance, I guess is what it is. And they got their own flags, okay? They'll be going up today. And then the other circle, which got 7 poles, is for the 7 branches of the military, and they got, what they've got is the 7 different flagpoles up here for that. And then the other 3 on this other side over here are for the American flag, the Tennessee state flag, and one other flag. I can't remember what it was now. That's what. Let me show you across the lake what it looks like from where I'm standing. Now, all the photographs that I'm taking today are with the Nikon Z6II and the 50mm 1.8S lens. I just love that lens, okay? It's sharp, it's compact. Putting it on the Z6II is really nice to use. It's lightweight, you can wing it around. So yeah, that's what I'm using today. And all these photographs that you're about to see were taken with Nikon Z6II.
I was looking for a hiding place, quiet and safe, wanting nothing. Your eyes caught my gaze, and everything changed. Look around now and then, wanna find you again. All the highs, all the lows, you can find me in marigold. Oh, you can find me